And over time, you know, even from my own prior experience trading, I'm a big fan of going for the gusto, you know, trying to eke as much as I can out of the trends when they occur. Now, every trade is going to be different. Okay, you may not have the same feelings. You may not have the same stomach. Sometimes it's very difficult to see trades that are up 60 pips pull back, you know, 30. And that's just an example. That can be tough on a trader. In order to get over that and to go after the bigger moves, you know, it takes a lot of like patience, experience, and the willingness to kind of just say, hey, you know what, it didn't work out this time, but I'm going to stick to my plan, and next time my trade sets up, trade's going to go on. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now, that said, there's also, you don't have, because you have your trade plan, during your trading, you may find little nuances that you can actually tweak your trade plan that will allow you better profits. For example, I'm trying to find a way, once I have a bias in the day, will there be anything that can give me a setup to go short that will put me on in the ballpark for a short with a probability that I may be able to trail that. That's something I'm looking at as well. But I do trail my stops, except in re-entries. I go for the full targets, and I'm out at the 2x on all my positions. So, you know, it makes up for you know, some of the the original setups where the trailings just don't work. But that's just you know, the trade-off. Anyways, that's enough rambling. So I'm going to go through my trades, and then I'm going to cover just pure HVMM, and then we'll wrap this video up. Now this is going to be on Tuesday, and my bias when during my trading was to go long. Didn't really get an opportunity to go long, you know, for quite a while, and then actually there was a news release at 10 o'clock, and how I missed it, I don't know, but this is where it is right here, and you know, in all honesty, I should have counted this as an error and shut her down. But trade went on for plus 21 up here, and the trail got 0 on this trade here. You're going to see, I need to change something here. During my trading for today, I was moving a line. I actually hit reset, and my template changed because my target 1, it's actually a 3. There we go. So this will trade. You know, this is how it played out. Got a trade management area, and once you get there, there's absolutely no reason I'm going to let this trade turn into a loser. So on all positions, okay, it's a full break-even trade, and then you know how it plays out. So what happens here? Go to break-even at the trade here. Pulls down a little bit, comes back up, takes out here for a plus 21, and then pulls back, break even 0. So my first position 20, first position scale out, I guess want to call that, and then turns around, takes me out on the remainder of my positions for nothing. The good thing is, though, like I said, I have a bias in the market. The short set up here, and the entry price on this is 110.44. Really no reason why you wouldn't take this trade. Trade sets up, stops out. So having a little bias here kind of paid off, and then the rest of the day was just, you know what it was. This is out of our trading time zone. So it was actually one trade on the euro yen, and to be quite fair, this trade I shouldn't even have taken. Just going to scroll forward here instead of just quickly pausing, because it's pretty, here we are here. London looked pretty good. Some nice moves in London. And here we are here. My bias at this time that I was trading, now it did change later on in the day, but by then my trading time zone, or my session that I trade was over. And well, that's just, you know, that's the price you pay. This one actually was a break-even trade, 00. That's fine with me. And what you're going to see here, this line was actually down a little bit more, 52, is the target on this, the trade management area is at 109.49. Well, we know the 50 level is a key level in forex. It was moved up a little bit just to account for that little bounce that would occur or could occur. 50 levels. You watch my previous videos. 50 levels are pretty big news.